Hello there, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we'll be doing a longest consecutive sequence. In this particular problem, we are given a list of numbers and we need to find the longest consecutive group elements in this particular sequence, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4 in nums. So, there is one more constraint. We need to do this in O of n time, runtime. And this really stresses our understanding of sets and also like arrays. So when you're thinking O of n, the only thing that should come to your mind is a hash, because like sorting will take n log n time. And yeah, so let's think hash. So with a hash, we could store all the numbers, and we would only look, and we can go through every single number until we find an item that is a starting number. A starting number is a number that has no number before it. So here's what I mean. Let's check out this particular example here that was given to us. So this is, let's say this is our list of numbers and this is our set. Suppose we go through our numbers and we found 100, and we're looking for if it is a starting number. Well, if it's one less than 100 is not in the set, which is 99, it's not in the set, then it is a starting number and we're going to look for the consecutive numbers in there. So what is the O of n time when we think about this? So it means that every time we see a beginning number, we're going to go through all the numbers it's possible. And so that would be O of n time. And we're going to go through every single number. That's another O of n time. So the worst time is O of n. Okay. So let's continue on with this example. So currently our streak is 1. Then we try 4. 4, we look for a number before it. Oh look, we have a 3 in the set. That means that this is not a beginning number and we do not have to care about it. 200 is a beginning number and we do start because there is no 199 in the set. Then we found a 1. 1, is there a 0 in the set? No 0. That means the full streak is going to be, we're going to look for the 1. Okay, we found we have the 1. We'll look for 2. Well, that exists. Then we're going to look for 3. Oh, that exists. And look for 4. And 4 exists. So we're going to keep bumping it up until we run out, which is going to be 5. And there's no 5, so our streak is now 4. And then we tried 3 and 2, but 3, we have a 2 in the set. That means we don't continue doing this. And 2, we have a 1 in the set. That means we don't even check it. So this way we go through our items only 2 times at most. So let's see this in code. So first of all, we'll do a set nums equals set of nums. And what we're going to do is set our result to be 0. And we're going to have a, let's say, a for loop for every number in nums. Let's see where we start. So if get starting num, if num minus 1 not in set nums, then that means it's a starting num. If it's a starting num, let's set the streak to equal to 1. And while the num plus streak is in set nums, that means a streak can plus equals 1. At the end of this loop, we'll run out. The streak will end, and so we have to set the result equals max of results and streak. Then we return the result. Run the code. Looks good, and let's submit. All right, it looks pretty good, not too bad. And that's our solution to this problem. So I think that really stresses our idea of how we can use sets so that we can access consecutive numbers quickly and effectively, and use our numbers to find I guess all our numbers to see when we should start. An idea that I just had is that, can we just do this with all the numbers in the set? And the answer is no. Wait. I just had a brilliant idea. So and I call it brilliant, but it might not be. But what's gonna happen is that we set the list to set nums, and that way we eliminate a whole bunch of numbers. Let's run the code. Question is, can we just... Yes, so much faster. You see that? Because we eliminated all the consecutive numbers that we might have needed to do, and the average time just went up, straight up. Another thing is that, can we just throw in set nums here, so we don't have to regenerate a list? I don't know. Possibly. Let's try the test case. Let's just say 4, 1, 2, 3. Run the code. I think it works. Let's try it. Okay, a little slower. I don't know exactly why, but it's still faster in going through every single number because we have fewer numbers to go through. That was a nice bonus here for us. Nice win, a very nice win. So that was nice. Anything else? I think set nums is more descriptive than what we're trying to do by eliminating all the consecutive numbers. Anything else? Anything else? No, I think we're good. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Want more videos, check the link in the description below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.